Welcome everybody, this is Matt and Liz Rard, and what we want to talk to you today is about the 3 essential elements that make up a great website investment.
Yeah, because we've been having chat about the best website buys that we've ever made, and we thought, okay, what are the similarities between those website deals? What was the things that were common to our best ever website investments? And it might be a bit surprising actually to you, because the first essential element that we realised that all our best deals have is not relating to the price or the topic or the niche or anything like that. It's actually relating to the seller, the person who's selling the website.
Yeah, and what the ideal outcome or the ideal websites that we buy are off genuine sellers. And sure, we're dealing with sellers all around the world. At the end of the day, it boils down to a relationship between people, and you've got to trust people that you're buying off. And this is important with websites because you might need ongoing help with them. And the best ones we've done are where sellers, they'll openly share with us everything they've done on the website. They'll even share with us maybe their outsourced team, their techies or their writers and things. And it's just made the deals work so well.
Their affiliate accounts, the connections within the industry. So this is what you're buying. When you're investing in a website, you aren't just buying a bunch of code. You're actually buying a complete package of everything that's needed to make money using the system that they've created. And that's the other good thing about buying from these genuine sellers. Often they'll have some really unique ways of making money online. They will have found these beautiful little tweaks that they've discovered and no one else knows, and we get access to those instantly by buying basically all their intellectual property and all the experience that they've had in building up that website. So one of the main things that we look for when we're investing in a website, because remember, we're doing this, we want this all to flow calmly and smoothly, and these deals should be easy. So the more genuine the seller, the better the deal flows, and the better the deals are that we've found.
Now, the next thing that we look for, and it flows on directly from genuine sellers, is room for growth. Because if we get a genuine seller and they've built the site themselves and it's their passion and they've put lots into it, often the really, really good websites investments that we've made are the ones where the people don't quite know how to monetize it that well, or they're maybe a bit tired of the website, even though they put their heart and soul into it for a few years. They're probably tired of it, and that's why they're selling. So that's a great reason for us to be buying in the first place. But then we find that there's very simple fix-ups that we can do. So with fresh eyes coming into the website, we can very quickly tidy up the websites, and that's why we like to buy really nice, simple websites.
And again, it's very like property. So when you invest in a property, you're always looking for those worst houses on the best street, houses that you can very quickly and easily add value to. And we're using exactly the same strategy here online, using our virtual real estate. So we're looking for these websites that have those simple fixes that we can do that website can grow very quickly and easily. Now, the reason we do that is, of course, that we want to grow that website in value and in cash flow as quickly as possible, so we can pay it down as quickly as possible. Because once we pay that website off, our risk is basically reduced to zero. So that's what our goal is in website investment, and that's the magic of being in this investment market where we've got incredibly high cash flows that allow us to be able to do that.
Yep, so that was point number 2, room for growth, but simple tweaks that we can make to the website to quickly increase its value. And that then leads us into the third point, which is because we do want to increase the value of the website, not just for the cash flow, because we love the cash flow, but one day we're going to sell the website. So one of our other essential elements that we look for is this a website that we can reasonably easily sell at some point down the track if we need the money?
Is there some, another thing too we're looking for, are there some really kind of cashed up buyers within that marketplace that would pay a heap more for this website than we would? So we're always looking, the third thing that we're always looking for in a great deal is there some good buyers in the marketplace that are going to be willing to pay us a really good sum of money when we're ready to sell. So there are three things that we've noticed in our best website deals that have been common to those deals. So hopefully you can take those 3 things and apply them in your own website investment strategy.